Hey guys, welcome back to my series of 20 steps to start your cleaning business in 2020. So if you guys watch my previous video, you know I kind of gave you a little bit of a summary of what I wanted to bring to you this year to really help you jumpstart and launch your cleaning business this year. So without further ado, let's jump right into step number one, and that's mindset. So since launching my cleaning business, I have spoken to people who have really seen a lot of success in their business, and I have spoke to people who haven't really been too successful or who haven't even launched. And the key difference that I have seen in those two people is really the mindset. So I think people really underestimate the mindset that is needed in order to be successful in business, any business, not really just the cleaning business. So in today's video, I really want to talk about the mindset shifts that I really want people to focus on in order to see some success in their business. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Let me repeat it for the people in the back.
This is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay?
Most successful businesses and most successful people did not get there quick, unless we're talking about lottery winners, and that's not a business, right? You're gonna have to work, and I think a lot of people get caught up in this social media fake entrepreneur thing, and they see somebody on the internet telling them you can start a cleaning business, and I started a cleaning business and in 1 month I made $30,000. Okay, that probably won't be you. I hate to break it to you, so let's just continue. You are gonna have to do the work. And in specific with cleaning business, you're gonna have to take some bumps and bruises. You may have to go out and clean a couple toilets. I'm not saying that you're gonna have to do that forever, nor should you, but you may have to. You may have to invest in, not have to, you will invest in marketing efforts that will fail. That's just the truth. You're gonna have to put up some money, and you may lose some money before you really start to see success. And success won't come quick. It may not come in month 1, month 2, or even month 6. I think for me, I didn't really start to see real traction until maybe like month 9 or 10. Like, I just didn't know. So just get that out of your mind. This is not gonna be something quick. You're not gonna start a cleaning service and then in 3 months you're gonna be on a beach in Tahiti. Like, you're not. You're gonna be in the office working, or out at somebody's house or office cleaning. It's just the truth. So just get your mind wrapped around that. This is not something that's gonna happen quick. So be prepared to do the work. This is not a 9-to-5 job. And I think that was one of the mindset shifts that I really had a hard time with. I came from corporate America, and I was used to doing that kind of, 9-to-5, 8-to-4, or whatever you want as far as hours that you work. This ain't it. Like, you work, let me break it down for myself. I work outside of 9-to-5 because that's just business. And you're gonna have to really set your mind shift to know that 9-to-5 is very limiting. And when you are first starting a business, not even first starting a business, just having a business in general, 9-to-5 really isn't gonna apply. You have to work and continue to work until the work is done. So one of the things you're really gonna have to understand and shift your mind is thinking that this is gonna be a 9-to-5 workday, Monday through Friday. I work some Saturdays and Sundays, and then I take a Monday or Tuesday off, just really depending. So really change your mind of what your work schedule is gonna look like. This ain't easy. I don't know how else to say it. So I think a lot of people, and I've talked to other people who I have seen some success in their business, and people will say like, well, how did you get successful in your cleaning business? What one marketing tool did you use to get success? And there's no easy button. There's nothing you can push to say, okay, do this one thing and you're going to be successful. It's just not there. You're gonna have to do a series of a lot of things. And from my success that I've seen and talking to other people who have been successful in this space, you're gonna have to try a lot of things and fail at a lot of things. And that's the thing that people can't stomach, the failing at a lot of things continuously until you find something that works, because there's nothing that's going to be easy. Just like I first said in the beginning, you see people online saying like, oh, it's just easy, just find a client and then send a cleaner to their house and you make all this money. It's not that easy. There's a lot of things that you really have to have in place. So just get that out of your mind. There's no easy button. There's no one thing that's gonna make your cleaning service work. So be prepared to try and fail and try and fail. I don't know how else to say this. You don't need to take 10 courses, read 100 blogs, watch 1,000 videos, maybe not even this one, to start your cleaning service. I feel like people like to be fake busy, and they like to pretend that they're doing business and they're not. You don't need to spend $6,000 on a course to start your cleaning business. You really don't. Now, there's nothing wrong with seeking help, and if somebody have some guides that you can follow to kind of help you, and if you do get a course, maybe get one and make sure it's with someone that's super reputable, not someone that's selling you a dream of start a cleaning service, I did it and I made $50,000 in the first month. You're really gonna be wasting your time and your money. So I think one of the mindset shifts that people really have to have is action. You really have to do the work and you have to start. And I think the problem with courses per se, not that they're not good, I just feel like it delays people from actually starting, and you just get weighed down with so much information that you just can't start, and you think you're doing business because you're in a course, and you're not. You're in business when you start making money. I hate to break it to you. So you don't need a course, you need action. Here's something that I don't think a lot of people understand about business, and in particular, the cleaning business. One of the most important success factors, they're really gonna be marketing and systems, as opposed to actual cleaning. So let me break this down. I think when people think about starting a cleaning service, they think, well, I don't know the best floor cleaner to use, or I don't know what's the best mop to use to clean houses or clean offices. And I think that really slows people down because they think they have to be an expert in cleaning. And you don't. You don't have to be an expert in cleaning. What you really need to be an expert in is marketing and systems. So let's think about it this way. McDonald's. I don't think McDonald's has the best hamburger around. But what they do have in place that is amazing is marketing and systems, right? We all know McDonald's, and we all know, whether you're in New York or San Francisco, that burger is pretty much going to taste the same because they have a system in place of how they make their burgers and how to make them fast. That is really what makes McDonald's great. Not necessarily their burgers. Their burgers are fine, but it's really the marketing and the systems that they have in place that really make them a strong company. So let's relate this to the cleaning service. So in my experience, when I first started out, I was working full time. So I couldn't be a cleaner, thank God, because that's not really my strength, right? I'm better at marketing and putting systems in place. I did that in corporate America. But when I quit work and when I quit my job and finally became a full-time entrepreneur, I was out feeling like I needed to kind of clean houses with the cleaners. And I saw how my business really wasn't growing because that's not my strength. You hire people to do those things that you're not good at. I'm not a good cleaner. I'm a better business owner in that standpoint, right? So that's where my time and focus needs to be. So for me, once I took myself out of that and I began focusing on marketing and putting systems in place, my revenue started to go up, 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 up. So that's what I want you to work on as a business owner. Focus on the marketing, and you need to build systems in place. Here's an example of a system. If someone were to land on your website and they want more information, what system do you have in place? Are they going to fill out an online form to say, hey, my name is Sarah and I'm interested in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment? If they do, then what happens when they fill out that form? Do you send them an automated email? Do you call them? Do you send them a text message? What if you don't get in contact with them? Are you going to send them a series of emails? Are you going to keep calling them until they book? That's a system. You have to have things going for your business automatically working, and you have to have a system in place so if you step back from the business, which you eventually should, someone else can do that because it's a process in place, right? The owner of McDonald's, they don't have to be there to watch a hamburger get made. There's a system. And that's what you have to really build into your business. For me, I hire great cleaners and they know the best products to use on the floors. They know, oh, I like to use vinegar and water on glass. I know some stuff. I know enough to be dangerous, right? I am a cleaning business owner. So yes, you have to know some stuff. But if you come to me and say, Stephanie, what's the best stainless steel product on the market? I got nothing for you. I know some stuff, but that's not where I spend the bulk of my time being concerned about. I spend the bulk of my time being concerned about marketing, process, driving revenue, and increasing profit margin. That's business. So I think that's one of the mindset shifts when you're starting your cleaning business is you can't worry about the little nuances about what's the best broom to use to sweep a floor. Like you can't, like you have to be concerned about how to drive the business. And whether you use broom A or broom B, as long as the stuff is swept up, it doesn't matter. So just really think about those things when you are thinking about starting your business. The good thing about the cleaning business and cleaning services is that cleaning really sells itself. A lot of people who need cleaning, you don't have to convince them that they need cleaning. You just have to position yourself and your company to be there at the right time when they are actually looking to purchase cleaning services. Think about this from a practical level, right? Drugs sell themselves. If someone wants drugs, you don't have to convince anybody to use drugs. You just have to be positioned at the right place at the right time so that someone can purchase from you. Another example, moving. If you are moving, does somebody need to convince you that you need boxes and a moving truck? No, but the moving company needs to be in front of you when you are getting ready to move. So same thing with the cleaning business. You don't really have to have a hard sell, which is why I love the cleaning business, because I'm not really a salesperson per se. But what I can do is understand marketing and understand that my business needs to be in front of you or top of mind when you are thinking about cleaning services. And then when you're ready to make a purchase, I'm there. And then I get out of the way and make you doing business with my company very easy. So that's why I say that the mindset shift has to be more focused on the marketing and the branding and the systems as opposed to the actual cleaning to see real success. Okay guys, that is it for this video, and that's it for step 1. What did you think? Let me know. Do you guys have any mind shifts, issues that you guys are working on, or any other things you want to contribute as far as certain mindset shift that people need to have when starting their business? If so, comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and stay tuned for step 2 in this series, and it's going to be all about researching your competition and researching your city to make sure it is viable to start a cleaning business. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Always forget that piece. Okay, bye.